Welcome to Pristis. Let's talk about the number one ultimate gift idea for new babies. Now, when I say ultimate, this is ultimate. I'm the founder of Pristis, Renae Cody, and everything in today's video is available at pristis.com. Now on with the show. Okay, so I own a baby shop with baby products, and we're just getting the brick and mortar ready, and all of the inventory has come in to stock the shelves, and I've been looking through all of it. And my hairdresser just announced she's having a baby. So what is the gift that I'm going to give her? She does amazing things with my hair. So I really wanted to give her like the ultimate number one best baby gift for newborn babies ever. So what would be the number one like newborn gift idea that I could tell you that I'll be giving her that you could also get? And this is the ultimate. Okay, so when I say the ultimate, I don't mean like some $25 Target gift card, okay? I'm talking about like, this is grandma, about to be grandma for the first time. What do you give your daughter who's having a baby type of gift, okay? So it's more pricey, but it is the ultimate newborn gift idea, okay? Now, after going through absolutely everything and unboxing all sorts of luxury products, this particular product impressed me the very, very most, and I'm going to tell you why. It is called the Noona Leaf Grow, and don't underestimate this thing, okay? Because I underestimated it. So let me tell you about this product. So the Noona Leaf Grow, okay, so when you have a baby, especially a newborn baby, you need a place to put it besides just like the bassinet, and they obviously are like these little puddles of goo. And when I had my baby 5 months ago, I put her in all sorts of swings and devices and baby bouncers. And just recently I unboxed the Noona Leaf Grow on our channel for the first time. And I was like, why didn't I have this thing right from the very start? Because it is ultimate comfort. Now, when Noona designs a product, they're number one, they design it for the comfort of the baby and the easiness of mommy. When I brought my baby home from the hospital, I put it in a Graco swing and my baby screamed. It's not funny, it's sad. But when I first put it in the swing and turned it on, my baby screamed for total fear of my baby's life. She was terrified of the thing. The Noona Leaf Grow is the most perfect gift for infants, and mommy won't even know it. Like the mom, when you give it to her, she might be like, oh, thank you. But when she takes it out of the box and puts it together and puts her child in that thing, she's going to be like, she's going to do the oh, I call it. It's like, oh. That's how she will react because that's how amazing this thing is. And luckily my 5-month-old can sit in it now. In fact, my 10-year-old sits in it because it is that comfortable, and it can be for like an older kid as well. So it grows with your baby. So that's why it's the Leaf Grow. So it can start out for an infant and grow with your baby. So my 10-year-old sits in the same Noona Leaf Grow that my 5-month-old sits in. And the swaying back and forth is so gentle. It really is like a leaf falling to the ground. And the Noona rep told me that, and I was like, okay, marketing, sales, lingo. But it really, really is incredible. And I was like, why don't they make this for like adults? So this is the product that I told my hairdresser about it because I wanted her to pick out the color. There are so many really pretty colors and they're all available in my shop. And she is so excited to get it. And I said, listen, I'm not telling you about this gift asking if you want it. I said to her, I'm telling you to make room for this gift because it's better than anything you have in your house for your baby. Guaranteed, hands down. 100%. I crossed my heart off to tie. This thing is incredible. And I wish that I'd picked it very first because I got a baby Bajorn bouncer, which is like, all the moms talk about it. And all the moms say like, oh, it's life-saving, la la la. The Noona Leaf Grow is 10,000 times better than the baby Bajorn bouncer. But of course, it is also more expensive. But I'm just telling you, if you're going to be like mom for a first time, or your friend's going to be a mom for a first time, and you have the money to spend and you're like, oh, I want to be that person who gives the very best gift, like the number one gift. I want to be like, there's two grandmas, right? There's grandma of the baby who's mom's mom, and then there's grandma of the baby who's dad's mom. And if you want to be like number one grandma, the Noona Leaf Grow. And make sure you buy from my shop because I gave you the tip, okay? Pristis.com. I'll go ahead and link the Noona Leaf Grow unboxing video and review down below also so you can see my first impressions of it. So you can watch that if you want, and then I will also link to the product down below, or you can just go directly to Pristis.com. Don't forget to give this video a like, it helps me out more than you know, and I will see you guys in a couple days.